Hello again, welcome back to Xitsonga Shakaina YouTube channel, Dyondza Xitsonga. Today I am going to teach you how to construct a present tense sentence in Xitsonga. Xivulwa xa nkarhi wa sweswi. I'll be using the verb lava, which means want in English, throughout my examples. Present tense verb in Xitsonga is distinguished by the presence of a morpheme a, as you see at the end of the verb lava. Following examples are the short forms of the present tense where an object or adverb, in other cases, follows the verb immediately. Ndzi lava swakudya. I want food. Hi lava swakudya. We want food. U lava swakudya. You want food. Mi lava swakudya. You want food. U lava swakudya. He or she wants food. Va lava swakudya. They want food. I hope the lesson was useful. Please stay subscribed for more lessons.